Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wow, this drink is very refreshing. But I spent all of my money on it. Look. I only have 1,000 rupiah left. What can I do with this little money? Wait. Do you know who is on the 1,000 rupiah bill? He is a brave man, willing to sacrifice and ready to fight for his freedom. Yes, he is Thomas Matulesi, better known as Kapiten Pattimura. So now, I will tell you a story about Kapiten Pattimura Strachel, a brave hero from Maluku who is willing to fight and sacrifice for freedom. And I'm gonna start with once upon a time on June 8, 1783, in Haria, Saparua Island, a child named Thomas Matulesi was born. He was born into a simple family that valued courage and honor. Thomas' father said, "Son, we are a simple family, but we must uphold courage and honor." Thomas said, "Yes, father. And father, why are our people suffering?" "It is because of Dutch colonial rule, son. They take our crops and treat our people harshly." "Really, father? Then I will go strong and brave to fight against them." He grew up to be a brave figure with leadership qualities. As an adult, he served a British soldier and learning war strategy, discipline, and use of weapon. However, when the British returned Maluku to the Dutch in 1816, people of Maluku suffered again with the high taxes, forced labor, and monopoly on the cloth trade made their life is very difficult. Seeing this injustice, Pattimura rose up to lead the Maluku people's resistance. Villagers say, "Oh my God, why have the Dutch returned? Our lives are getting harder. High taxes, forced labor, and clothes sold so cheaply, and our children are starving." My brother and sister, I feel your suffering too. But we must not stay silent. We must fight against this injustice. "True. We'll stand with you, Captain." Okay, on this day on, I will lead you all. Together, we're fighting for freedom of Maluku. And then, on May 1817, he led an attack Fort Darsit in Saparua Island. His troops managed to take control of the fort and repel the Dutch. This victory spread a spirit of resistance to various areas of Maluku, such as Haruku, Nusa Laut, and Seram. But there was some bad news. On November 1817, Pattimura was crushed after being betrayed by some individuals. After trial, he is executed on December 16, 1817 in Ambon. And before his death, he said, My people, listen to me. Never give up. Keep fighting for freedom of Maluku, even after I'm gone." Pattimura proved that united, courageous, and self-sacrificing people can resist the colonial rule and make history. And Kapiten Pattimura remembered as national hero. His courageous leadership and sacrificing continue to lead and inspire young Indonesia on this day. And that the story of Kapiten Pattimura, with the face we see on 1,000 rupiah bill. Every time we see it, remember that behind the picture lies courage and sacrificing and spirit of fighting for freedom. May we also follow his example in our daily life. Wait. Maybe I can buy some candy with this money. And that's all from me. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.